Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Dan Yuan, the professional Chinese teacher. So today we're going to learn school supplies. We're going to learn something related to school that you need to use. And there's some new characters and new words. It's very important and very useful, especially for living or studying in China. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, we should learn these 4 new characters. 学生用品. In fact, we have separately learned 2 of them before. 学生, which means students, and 用品, which means supplies. So school supplies here in Chinese, we call it student supplies. So, 学生用品. Read after me. 学生用品. Very good. And then the first one, backpack. 书包 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 书 which means book, 包 which means bag. So backpack in Chinese, 书包 book bag. And this is typically for Chinese students. For those students in elementary school. Red scarf for young pioneers. 红领巾. This is kind of political. If you don't like it, just skip it. 红领巾. 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 红领. Third turn. 巾 flatten. Very good. And then school uniform. 校服 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 are soon. 校服 校服. Okay, and then 校 which means school, 服 which means clothes. 校服. Nice. And then watercolors. 水彩笔. And there are 3 third turns. You pronounce the first and second one into second turn, remember? So it is 水彩笔. Okay? 水彩笔. Read after me. Good. 水彩笔. And sketch pad. 图画本. 图画本. Crayon. 蜡笔. 蜡 first turn, 笔 third turn, 蜡笔 蜡笔. Okay, and then pencil case, 文具盒. 文具 which means stationaries, and 盒 means case. 文具盒. Read after me. 文具盒. Beware of the tones. 文 second turn, 具 first turn, 盒 second turn. 文具盒. Okay, and then pencil sharpener. We can call it 卷笔刀 or 转笔刀, both okay. 卷 second turn, 卷笔刀 or 转笔刀. Once again, 卷笔刀 or 转笔刀. And pencil, 铅笔 铅笔 铅笔. And mechanical pencil, we call it in Chinese we call it automatic pencil. 自动铅笔. So we're very familiar with these phrases. Automatic. 自动 both first turn. 自动铅笔 pencil. Once again. 自动铅笔 read after me. 自动铅笔. Very good. And then pencil lead. 笔芯笔芯笔芯. And then ruler. 尺子尺子尺 third turn. 尺子尺子尺子. Protractor. 三角尺 三角 second turn 尺，三角尺 compasses 圆规，圆 second turn 圆规，圆规。Very good. And then calligraphy brush 毛笔，毛笔，毛 second turn 毛笔，毛笔。Chinese calligraphy ink 墨汁，墨汁，墨汁。If you just want to refer to ink, just use this one 墨，墨汁。And then scissors 剪刀，剪 third turn 剪刀，剪刀，剪刀。Eraser 橡皮 read after me 橡皮 once again 橡皮 and then knife 小刀，小刀，小刀。Notebook 笔记本，笔记 which means note 本 notebook too 笔记本，笔记本。Once again 笔记本。Textbook 课本 textbook 课本，课本。Dictionary 字典，字 first turn 点 third turn 字典，字典。And then fountain pen or pen 钢笔，钢笔，钢笔。And then ink or pen ink whatever 墨水，墨水，墨水。水 we have learned which means water 墨水。So this is course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words. Hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website. If you have any suggestions, just comment below. And if you enjoy watching this video, please give us the thumbs up. I really want to hear from you. So anything you want to tell us about our course, just comment below. See you in the next course. Bye!